Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the second video of 2020. I am so excited because I have like a, motivation. I've always had motivation, but it's 2020, so I have even more motivation. So today we're just going to do a very simple everyday look. I love this look. What is it called? They call it soft glam. That's what we're doing today. Very simple. That's my cat scratching at the door. What was I saying? Sorry, cat was scratching at the door, tried to get it away, whatever. But doing soft glam, I'm so excited. Can you hear my cat? For some reason, every single time I start to record, my cat needs to sit in my lap. It's actually trying to get, like it can reach the door. Okay. It can reach the doorknob, but let's get started. So we're doing soft glam today, guys. Before we start, make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're a fellow subscriber, thank you very much. But if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks, guys. You guys all know that I like to start with my brows first. That's my first thing. Many people's first thing. And by the way, guys, I am filming at night. Daughter's knocked out. This is the best time for me to film. I know most YouTubers film during the day. I just had to bite the bullet, get the equipment that makes it look good in here, and do it at night, because that wasn't working. My daughter wakes up 7 a.m. on the dot, just happy like she never was asleep. Okay guys, brows are done, so let's get into what we're going to do. Well, you're not done. Okay, so I'm going to use this Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics palette. The Little Red Riding Hood palette. I got it from one of my BoxyCharm boxes. I think it was from December. Yeah. And then I'm going to be using the Naked Reloaded from Urban Decay. And just make a really quick soft glam look. Okay guys? Let's get started. Shall we start? We shall. Alright, so from the Naked Reloaded palette, let's start with... let's do a matte. I'm thinking of matte. Let's start with Boundaries from our Urban Decay palette. Sorry guys, I have the sniffles. I've had it for like a month. It hasn't really turned into a full-blown cold, which I'm grateful for. But I'm annoyed at the sniffles. I get annoyed. It irritates me. Alright. We're not doing anything crazy, remember guys. Soft glam. So we're gonna go to that Little Red Riding Hood book. And we're gonna go to that one right there. What do you think? Can you see it? My camera likes to fade out. Right here. What do you guys think? What do you think? Tell me. We're going to use a different brush. I'm using my Sephora brush, the eyeshadow brush from the Rolling Set brush kit. So I'm going to take a little bit of that. And we're just going to tap it on the lid. Nothing crazy. Alright guys. Can you see that? So... now we're going to put some eyeliner on. This is all I'm going to do for the shadow. I'm going to stop right here because if I mess with it too much, it's going to end up looking super, super not soft glam. So I did get this, I said it in another video, I did get this Morphe, I always want to say Morphe, but it's Morphe. I did get this Morphe liquid liner. It's a felt tip. And I needed something that was super sharp, super easy to apply, and Morphe hasn't failed me yet. So I'll leave exactly what I use in this video in the description below. Okay? Now, soft glam may not be liner, but it's gonna be for me, because I love liner. I need liner. Okay guys, lashes are on. Let's continue to finish this face. Primer guys, primer. We cannot forget primer in 2020. We can't. Global warming, all that stuff. We need primer. We need primer. Alright. Let's get down to business to release the humps. Does soft glam consist of like contouring and stuff? I don't know. Maybe soft glam doesn't exist. Is there such thing? Because I'm literally doing everything that I would do with any other look. So maybe it's not real. Let's get one of my eggs, as my daughter likes to call it. So soft glam basically is supposed to look like wedding day. Do I look like I'm about to get married? I've got lip. Need lip. Let's do something shimmery. Is this soft glam? Is this wedding day look? I'd say, maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Now we need some highlighter. Excuse me. Okay. Alright guys, there you have it. Soft glam. This video was not even supposed to be like a soft glam look, but I guess everyday makeup, soft glam makeup can go into the same. But on your wedding day, because I just looked it up and it said wedding day, soft glam. Soft glam is like wedding day without the innocence. So a little bit of, hey, I'm getting married. I'm not a child anymore. Okay? And then everyday makeup is like more natural. We're going to call this everyday soft. That way, you know. But I like it. I hope you guys like it. You can legit wear this every day. Wait a second. We forgot, guys, did we forget to add some of our favorite from the Little Red Riding Book palette underneath? I hate when I forget that, because then I'll look back at the video and I'm like, darn it, I forgot to finish the look. Okay, so back with that right there. I'm gonna say Daryl. I don't know, guys. I think that does it. That does the look. What do you guys think? How's it look? I gotta do this slow motion thing so you guys can really see it. So guys, thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Thank you guys. Have a great 2020.